asking questions. So we must know
Yes.
what are the different types of questions. There are majorly two types of questions, majorly. Number one is called as the close-ended questions. In the last slide, which I was expecting a question, open-ended questions was written there. So close-ended
Oh,
question. What is this?
okay.
What will happen if you take a gun and shoot to a bird? What will happen? You may hit
Yeah.
him, you may miss him.
Mm.
These could be
Yes.
two
That
different possibilities. There is nothing
probability. Yes.
third possibility. That is
Yeah.
that is close-ended question. The close-ended question, the answer will be yes
Yes.
or no.
On.
If I ask you, do you like tea? Your answer could be yes, I like. I don't like.
Yes.
So the close-ended
Yeah.
question, the question,
Yeah.
close-ended questions. Do you go to
Yes.
gym? Yes or no? It gives information but very limited. Some examples. Did you like working with us? Your answer will be yes or no. Will you go to Murray? Yes or no. Do you like tea? Answer will be yes or no.
On.
Have you ever
And
suffered from malaria before? Yes, I have suffered.
yes.
No, I haven't suffered.
Mm.
Do you prescribe Cephra-D in tonsillitis? Yes, I do prescribe. No, I don't prescribe. The answer
Mm.
is yes or no. So this answer will be given by open-ended question.
Okay. So
Open-ended
open
questions.
and
Sorry.
okay. Yes, I would like to ask you in open-ended questions. You give your reasoning in there,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
Okay.
Open-ended questions is just like fishing.
Yes.
You have thrown your whatever you call it
Fishing rod.
fishing rod
Fi-
into the river,
Yeah.
into the pond.
Yes.
There could be,
Yes.
you may get the fish, you may not get the
Yes.
fish. Open,
Yes.
this is close ended.
Yes.
You may get salmon fish, small fish, big fish. There could be so many possibilities in fishing. Just like in hunting, when you shoot, so there could be yes or no. While in fishing, there could be so many possibilities. So this is open-ended question. An open-ended question is a question that cannot be answered with a yes or no response or with a static response.
Yes.
Open-ended questions allow respondent to answer in
Mm.
open text format so that they cannot answer based on their complete knowledge, feeling and understanding. It means that the response to this question is not limited to a set of opinion. For
Mm.
example, if I ask you, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Okay.
Yes.
This is
Mhm.
an open-ended question. You may say the
Yes.
answer could be blue, white,
Yes.
orange, pink, purple.
Yes. Yes.
So many colors are available.
Yes.
So the open-ended questions, where could be there could be so many possibilities. And if I
Yes.
ask you, do you like pink? The answer is yes or no.
No.
Okay. So open-ended
Yeah.
questions, it may give you much more information. Your answer could be, I like purple and blue as well. There are so many possible answers to an open-ended questions. For
Yes.
example, what is your favorite color? What is your age? So your age could be 8 years, 20 years, 30 years, 100 years. There are so many possible answers to that.
Yes.
Where will you go to Murray? Will you go tomorrow, after 1 week, after 1 month, on this day? So there are so many
Yeah.
possible answers to this question. So to the
Yeah.
open-ended questions, there are so many options available. For example, if I ask you, which one is your favorite car? So your answer could be Audi, you could be Mercedes, Honda, Toyota, so many cars available.
Yes. Yes.
How will you ask him? That is another type of open-ended question. Whom did you ask for an appointment? What is your drug of choice in tonsillitis?
Mm.
So while we are talking to the physician, doctor, and we try to have more information, sir, if you
Yes.
don't mind, I may ask you
Yes.
certain thing. Sure, why not? Go
Yes.
ahead. Doctor says you. So
Yeah.
what is your drug of choice in upper
Mm.
respiratory tract infection? So answer he can give you. I go for the cephalosporin. I go for the quinolones, macrolides. There are so
Yeah.
many antibiotics available.
Yeah.
So he will say you, oh no, I most of the time go for the macrolide, and if there is a taste issue, I may go for the cephalosporin first generation, maybe the third
Yes.
generation. So in open-ended question, there are so many possible answers.
Yes.
Okay. So what, when, which, how, whom, open-ended questions will start
Yeah.
with these.
Okay.
There is another type of question.
Yes.
Choice questions.
Yes.
So what is choice questions? Will
Choice
you
question. Will you
take tea or coffee?
to give them options? Give
Options.
them. Yes.
So these are called as the choice questions.
Ah, choice questions.
So do you prescribe cephrodine or erythromycin
I see.
in tonsillitis? Forgot about the spellings. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
So the choice, the cephrodine or erythromycin. So these questions are called choice questions.
Yes.
There is another type also, which we call as the benefit tag questions
Okay.
in selling, simply called as the PTQ. I will cover this benefit tag question in our sales call step in closing. Normally, in closing the sales calls, we use that.
Okay.
Let me give simple example. Sir, after considering the use of Cefixime, its safety profile and
Yes.
spectrum, would you like to prescribe Cefixime in your next RTI patient? This is a closing.
Okay.
Means we have discussed the Cefixime. We have given certain features, benefits, funnel, open-ended, closed-ended question, and we came to know that Cefixime safety profiles is better than the other antibiotics. So we have
Yes.
tagged that benefit tag questions. Sir, considering
Okay.
the safety profile of Cefixime, would you like to prescribe Cefixime in your next RTI patient? This is called benefit tag question. Now, what is the importance? If you don't know the questioning technique and you put a wrong question,
Yeah.
you say, Doctor, do you prescribe Cefixime? He will say, No.
Yeah.
What will you do then? Will
Mm.
you ask why? With a close ended question. So, if you are starting with a closed ended question, the equation will be altogether changed. Can be.
Yeah. It
For
will.
example, while we
See.
were discussing the course with you, why this open-ended is important. For example, if you are
Yeah.
if you are going to a medical store and you wanted to
Yes.
take a feedback of any physician nearby him,
Yes.
You know, medical store is very busy and very important person. You have to take feedbacks that what is
Yes.
the doctor prescribing behavior, what he is prescribing, what multivitamin he is prescribing, what painkiller he is prescribing. So if you
Yes.
ask him, sir, Dr. Asma, did she prescribe Dolonep? He may say no,
Mm.
close-handed. If you ask that Dr. Asma, what is his most prescribing painkiller nowadays? What
Mm.
is his most prescribing painkiller nowadays? Open-ended question. He may say he's prescribing mefenamic acid, he's prescribing naproxen, he sometimes prescribes brufen, he may prescribe diclofenac. So you came with the four options that diclofenac, ibuprofen, naproxen,
Mm.
mefenamic acid.
Mm.
You got maximum for question.